DevOps. Let's understand DevOps. Now, how this name came. First, we need to understand that DevOps. Let's say you know the project. Okay, project came to the company. Now, for every project, what are the two major teams? One is a development team and the other one is operations team. These are the two major teams. Again, there are other teams also, but I'm just focusing on the main teams. What development team will be done? Development team consists of developers. Developers will write the source code of the application. The code for the application will be written by development team. And operations team, they will take the code from the developers and then they will deploy the code into the servers. As simple as that. Then what is the problem here? The problem is before DevOps came into the market, there was no proper communication between the different teams working for the project. There are different teams. Here I have just mentioned 2 teams only. There are some 4 or 5 teams will be there at least. All those teams, they were not having proper communication. Let's say developers will be doing something, operations team will be doing something, testing team will be doing something. So there is a communication gap between different teams that are working for the project. And then came DevOps. What is DevOps? Dev represents a development team, Ops represent operations team. So DevOps means a combination of development team and the operations team. What is the role of DevOps engineers? The role of DevOps engineers is to bridge the communication between the different teams working for the project. What is your role? Tomorrow when you join an organization, what is your role? Ultimate role is to gather the information from different teams. What is development team working on? What is testing team working on? What is database team working on? So you are going to gather the information. You are going to gather the bridge, or you are going to act as a bridge between the different teams that are working for the project. Sir, is that the only work? No. As a part of that work, you need to learn different tools which we have just spoken some time back. Okay, it is not about, sir, I will just interact with all the teams and I will update. It's not that way. How will you interact? You cannot go and talk to them directly. You will talk with respect to by using tools. You will talk to them verbally also, but most of your communication will happen with tools only. Whatever tools that we have seen some time back, your tools will talk to the different teams. That is why as a DevOps engineer, you need to learn different tools. Okay, so DevOps engineers are the people who will make a collaborative approach between the different teams working for the project. It can be development team, testing team, operations team, anything. That's how DevOps came into the market.